di ba nag-add po kayo ng 472?
Opo.
Bago niyo po dinagdagan ng 472, magkano po yung jackpot price?
Ito yung una. 28 million po, 249,201.
So 28 million.
Opo.
In all other countries in the world, progressive meaning yung jackpot ay lumalaki base sa mga tumataya, base sa dami ng taya.
Tama po, I agree.
Never in the world, only in the Philippines, na yung jackpot ay dadagdagan hindi dahil sa mga taya, kundi dahil sa kinita na ng PCSO sa prize fund reserve. You agree with me? Kasi sa lahat po ng mga
I agree, Your Honor. I agree, Your
progressive
Honor.
po yun.
I agree, Your Honor.
Yung sobra-sobra ng pera, ibuhos natin doon sa kulang na ayuda sa mga nangailangan natin pobreng kababayan. Which is chemotherapy, kidney dialysis, ambulansya, wheelchair, hospital bills, gamot, etc. etc. Doon natin ibuhos yung surplus kasi yung mga nabanggit ko mga tao, kulang ang tulong. Sayang pa yung daan-daan milyon o bilyores. In this case, in December of last year, ang augmentation niyo umabot sa 1-point-something billion. Tama? So yung 1.7, thereabouts, 1-point-something billion, ibinuhos niyo na lang sana doon sa kawang gawa. Kaysa naman napunta lang sa isa, dalawa, o liman, o ilang tao lang nanalo. In our agenda, many issues that needs to be tackled. First and foremost, we will tackle a very important and pressing issue. Issue that has been the main concern for a long time by many lotto players. And that issue pertains to the integrity of the game. Na ang tanong, talaga bang may nananalo sa loto? Hindi ba naman manipula yung laro? O baka naman ito ay moro-moro lang, sabi nga ng mga marami na nakipag-usap sa akin. So, isa po yan sa unang-una natin talakayin. Now, having said that, umpisahan natin yung concern ng marami, yung pagdadagdag ng 500,000 sa nanalo ng December sa 649. Not only doon sa 649, kundi sa 642, 645, 655, and 658. Kasi nga po, yung pagdadagdag, pagkakarga ng big amount sa isang game, in this case sa 649, in the amount of 500,000 pesos, ay questionable. It is not a smart business practice. Let me remind you that PCSO is in a business of charity. Negosyo rin po ang PCSO. Walang negosyo sa buong mundo na meron na nga silang kita at yung kita nila ay ibabalik para isugal nang sa gayon papanalunin ng isang tao. Bakit kinakailangan magdagdag? In the case dun sa 649 ng December na game, I think napanalo yon, was it January? December and January. Nagdagdag ng 500,000 pesos. 500 million pesos. Now, let's start with that. Yung pong pagdadagdag, pagkakarga, augmentation o tawagin sa isang lotto game, ang reason noon ay para dumami yung mga mananaya. Matagal na ho ba na practice yun, Mr. Robles?
Good morning, Mr. Chair. First of all, let me add a little po dun sa promotion.
Okay. Pwede ba lahat kayo ay mag-oath taking muna by the COMSEC?
Those who were present last September hearing, that you swore also before na, di ba? Like Ms. Javier and Chairman Kua, you need not to take the oath anymore. Hindi na kailangan, sir. So the rest, yes, the rest. No, sir. You were not here last September pa na, sir. Can you raise your right hand? Do you swear to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth in this committee, in this public hearing? Yes. Thank you. Please.
Go ahead, Mr. Robles, General Manager, PCSO. The floor is all yours.
Good morning, Chairman. In December, in October towards the end of October, during our anniversary, the board has decided on our 89th anniversary, we increased all bets for 89 million. That is our way of promoting and celebrating our anniversary. This was taken from the prize fund, Your Honor, and which, as our records show, really increased our sales. And then, encouraged by that, for the December, knowing that we have a surplus fund for our prize fund reserve, the board has decided to create another promo. Ang tawag po namin, Handog Pakabog. No? This is really a marketing campaign to encourage more, and as a way of thanking the bettors to bet more and participate more para po pag-usapan yan at ngayon to excite the market. And I'm happy to inform you, Mr. Chairman, that for the last 30 days, bumalik na po yung in-invest namin doon, and we made 800 million po in net, not to mention the taxes po that it generated.
Okay, you made 800 million pesos out of that promo and marketing strategy na ginawa ninyo para to encourage the bettors, stimulate bettings. 800 million. Ang tanong ko po sa inyo, unang-una sa lahat, legal ho ba yun yung kayo po ay mag-augment sa jackpot ng mga lotto games ninyo coming from the prize fund? Like I said kanina, kita na po yun eh. Bakit natin ibabalik pa? At number 2, sabi niyo meron kayong surplus. Eh di, wow, kung meron kayong surplus, gamitin na lang natin dun sa mga very important projects. Ibalik natin sa charity, ibigay natin sa mga ospital, paggamot ng mga chemotherapy, kidney dialysis, so wheelchairs, ambulansya. Bakit natin ibabalik doon sa loto para pustahan at panalunan ng isa o dalawang tao? It's a wise business practice. Do you agree? Kasi kung sa isang negosyo, hindi nila gagawin yun. Kasi kita mo na yun eh. Bakit mo ibabalik doon sa jackpot?
Mr. Chair, ang tawag po namin doon sa prize fund reserve, it is really meant, pag nagdidip kunyari, marami hong tinamaan, it was really meant po to be part of the prize fund. So as you know po, Mr. Senator, our revenues are already appropriated by law. So talaga pong may paggagamitin yan. Ay kung hindi po namin gagamitin yun at the end of the year, it will be reverted back to as dividends and taxes, at yung kalahati po nun pupunta din naman po sa charity. Yan po ang mangyayari ron at the end of the year. But here we decided po to use it. So Mr. Chairman, it got the same results and more. Kasi pati ang taxes po na naibigay sa gobyerno, mas malaki po dito in the span of 30 days ng promotion namin. So I think, Mr. Chairman, by and large, it's a very successful promo. Yan po ang aming pong pananaw doon, because not only did we get the charity, but we generated more taxes po, and meron pa po kaming income from that.
Okay. Bago po kayo nag-decide ng board, noong 89th anniversary nyo, na mag-augment sa jackpot, sa lahat ng games, ng lotto games, sa jackpot, coming from the prize fund, did you do a thorough study para makita kung talagang dapat gawin yon? Meaning, yung pag-ugmet nyo ng 500,000 halimbawa sa isang game, would that generate more revenue para sa PCSO in terms of taxes, which nabanggit mo? Would that 500,000 maibabalik, yung inilagay nyo, maibabalik doon sa prize fund? Nag-invest ka kasi ng 500,000, right? So when you invest something, dapat ina-assume mo, na pag-aralan mo, o na-anticipate mo na yung 500,000 ibabalik. Kasi lalagay ka ng 500,000 sa 614 na halimbawa na games, i-augment mo, kung ang babalik lang dyan ay 10% o 15% o 20% o 50% pa, huwag na. Dapat kung nag-invest ka dyan ng 500,000 augmentation doon sa isang jackpot sa 649, dapat ang balik niyan, hindi lang 500,000 or more pa dapat. Ganun dapat ang mga ginawa niyo study. Kasi kung hindi, huwag niyo sana ginawa yon.
Mr. Chair, meron po kami pag-aaral dyan, but the rule of thumb po in lottery, ito po ay jackpot-driven. The more the jackpot is, the more they will come. Yan po ang basic.
I understand. Pero dapat ang jackpot is progressive. In all other countries in the world, progressive meaning yung jackpot ay lumalaki base sa mga tumataya, base sa dami ng taya.
Tama po, I agree.
Never in the world, only in the Philippines, na yung jackpot ay dadagdagan hindi dahil sa mga taya, kundi dahil sa kinita na ng PCSO sa prize fund reserve. You agree with me? Kasi sa lahat po ng mga
I agree, Your Honor. I agree, Your
progressive
Honor.
po yun.
I agree, Your Honor. It's called the snowballing. Tama po kayo.
Snowballing,
On
progressive.
a normal, on a regular basis, that is po what we do. Kaya nga po tinawag namin to, this is a promo po. Once in a while, they go into promotion po talaga. Mga lotteries po, they go into promotion to spur it up. Yung kauna-unahan talaga naman really is, for example, you really put it there. Sabi ko nga po, that is po part of the business decision na ginawa po namin, and we have here po the results that made us more money than what we invested. I think it's overall the 50% in 30 days po. Malaki na po yon sa aming tingin.
So, ang tanong ko, bago sa sunod ko katanungan, so yung 500,000 halimbawa na in-invest nyo sa 649 games noong December na may nanalo 640 million. 500 million doon ay galing sa prize fund reserve. Nabawi nyo ba yung 500 million na in-invest?
Opo, with income pa po.
Magkano ang bumalik? Okay, para mapabilis tayo, 640 million yung price. So, ibig sabihin, 140 million lang ang na-generate mula sa mga mananaya. Simple mathematics to. Because the 500 million came from the prize fund reserve na in-augment.
Mr. Chairman, if I may.
Yes.
We added 472,750,000.
Well, you said sa previous hearing, 500 million.
Hindi po. 500. Well, it's rounded off kasi yung pot po binuo as 500,
Okay, sige.
500.
Magkano po
So
inat?
hindi po yun yung exact dahil dati na pong meron yun eh.
Okay.
So we rounded it off para po madali
So
naman.
magkano pong inad?
We ended 472,750,798. Ang na-generate pong sales niyan is 675,122,860 with an income of 202 million.
Teka muna, so bago kayo nag-augment ng 470 million doon sa jackpot ng 649, how much was the jackpot price prior to adding 470 million?
28. Yung normal po dyan would be 28 million po.
Hindi. Di ba nag-add po kayo ng 472?
Opo.
Bago niyo po dinagdagan ng 472, magkano po yung jackpot price?
Ito yung una. 28 million po, 249,201.
So 28 million.
Opo.
Okay.
So we added 472 million, and the sales from that promo, from that action po was 675,122,860, netting us 202,372,061 po.
So doon sa dinagdag yung 472, bumalik, magkano bumalik po?
675 po.
675 ang balik.
Opo.
So meron kayong gain na 100.
202 po. 202, 372.
The reason why I'm asking that, Mr. Robles, ito yung issue. Sa 649, 14 million ang total combinations. Tama?
Opo.
You follow me? Lahat
Opo.
kayo? Sa 14 million combinations, you times that sa 20 equals to 280 million.
Opo.
Tama? So, kung ima-minus mo yung 280 sa 640, kasi yun ang naging jackpot eh. Tama? Is equals to 360 million. So, napapalo niyo pa ako. Now, lumilitaw, ayon po sa mga taong nag-reply sa akin sa social media, mga taong nakausap ko, yung mga mananaya, pinalobo yung price, yung jackpot, para tayaan. At sino yung tumaya? At paano yung pagtaya? Yung sobra-sobra ng pera, i-boost natin doon sa kulang na ayuda sa mga nangailangan natin pobreng kababayan. Which is chemotherapy, kidney dialysis, ambulansya, wheelchair, hospital bills, gamot, etc. etc. Doon natin i-boost yung surplus kasi yung mga nabanggit ko mga tao, kulang eh. Kulang ang tulong. Sayang pa yung daan-daan milyon o bilyones. In this case, in December of last year, ang augmentation niyo umabot sa 1-point-something billion. Tama? So yung 1.7, thereabouts, 1-point-something billion, ibinuhos nyo na lang sana doon sa kawang gawa. Kaysa naman napunta lang sa isa, dalawa, o liman, o ilang tao lang nanalo.
Mr. Chair, as I've said, yun po ay allocated po lahat. Kahit po yung nanalong yun, automatic din po augmented, hindi lang po yung charity namin, pati po yung universal healthcare gain doon. Kasi 40% po ng charity namin. So, as far as kung mas marami pang natulungan, definitely po, mas marami yung natulungan. Dahil na-enroll po yun eh. Bukod sa taxes, we gained more for charity, even the universal healthcare po. If
Okay,
I may, Mr. Chair,
makasingit po, Mr. Robles.
Okay.
Yung magkano po yung augment for December? 1 point.
May we recognize DMLI?
Okay.
Can you please sit down muna?
Kasi kung sasabihin mo sa akin na noong December, yung 1.7 billion na inaugment ninyo at sumobra pa kayo dyan, then medyo yung kilay na marami medyo bababa. Sa ngayon nakataas. How much was augmented from the prize fund reserve?
Is the jackpot. Okay. So we have an existing computed jackpot price for a total of 368.
Ma'am, diretso na po.
Okay.
Noong December, sa lahat ng Lotto games, 642, 645, 649, 655, 658, 58 ba? 658, am I right?
658 for a total of 1,336 million.
1.3.
Opo, 1.3. Ang naging total sales po natin is 2.2 billion.
Okay. So magkano ang napunta doon sa charity?
30% of that po, sir.
Which is?
30% at 2.2 billion.
240
240 million.
Ito may 1.3 tayo. Na sana yung 1.3, binuhos na lang natin doon sa ano? Sa kawang gawa.
Okay.
Yes, Mr. Chairman.
Mr. Chair, kasi ang revenue allocation po namin is mandated by law. Talaga pong 30% will have to go to charity. Even if we wanted to pour all po the prize fund reserve, it will remain po sa prize fund po yun. Yun po ang, if our charter will be amended po.
Okay, then we will change the charter. We will change the charter and at the same time, papahinto ko yung pag-augment sa premyo. So, that will change the charter. Is that, yan bang sinasabi ni Mr. GM?
Ay,
So, i-change ko yung charter ninyo na para hindi na kayo mag-augment
Opo,
sa
opo.
jackpot.
Kung, if you can help us po dyan sa limit. Actually,
At
restricting
sinasabi
po
yung
talaga ang
30%,
charter namin.
tataasan ko yan na para yung mga surplus mapunta na sa charity.
Sige po, if you could, legislator,
Lahat
we
ng
would really
surplus-
appreciate that po.
Kasi po, maraming mga probinsya na kulang ambulansya. Maraming mga probinsya na kawawa yung mga ospital. Maraming mga kababayan natin na namamatay dahil walang pambayad. Hindi na ang kidney dialysis, chemotherapy. With that billions and billions of pesos na surplus every single year, magdudugtong yan ng maraming buhay. So I will pass, i-revisit ko yung charter na to make sure yung mga surplus, all of that should go to charity.
Mr. Chair, there's a pending